Back in our days, if we never broke bread, enough of we never broke bread, we dead. If enough of we never broke bread, we dead. Remember that. You have to have broke bread at dance with select, and you have to have broke bread at radio. And you have to make certain so you book flight and go promote your thing them on radio. Promote your thing them at the club them. The artists can just release a song and it just go viral, or them fan base just built in on the internet. When they drop a song, them fan get it in a real time. Everybody get it simultaneously. We have to go work Boston and the tune start get a little buzz of Boston. Then we have to come back down to New York come work it. We have to go link up Bobby Candas them and Jabba them. We have to come back down to Florida come link up Waggy them. We have to go back down to Hartford go link up Buck and Trevor. We have to then go up Boston go link up the mix show DJ them. At time you have Chubby them and Barbosa them. I want to know. Then we have to go to LA. Go do the morning show over LA. We have to go to San Francisco. We have to go to Hawaii. The flight for go to Hawaii must be about 12, 13 hours or something like that for go to Hawaii. And you go to Hawaii just to do promotion. I want to know promo. You're going all the way to Hawaii just to do a radio interview. A radio interview. You leave Florida, you get a plane and you go to LA, and you take a plane from LA or San Francisco, and you go to Hawaii. You better remember that. Somebody thinks I want some joke thing, a little bit of work. The artist say, gold spoon. We have in our mouth. Remember that, gold spoon. Yeah. I remember saying, I don't call some of the artists them name, you know. Why I don't call some of the artists them name who were dominant in them days? Me attack the one with the dip on the road. Because you have artists, you know, were real monsters, you know. Like Buju Banton was a monster, you know. But remember, Buju Banton did get the fight with the Boom Bye Bye thing. So, them want to Buju Banton to some of the radio shows them. Right? Excuse me. So Buju Banton was a major act, you know. But, you know, in turn, by the time we come to the business, Buju and Rasta and them things. So, them never really, it wasn't like a reggae-driven crossover thing. Buju them, you understand what I say? But Buju them was monster artist still. Yeah. So, enough work when you see the artist them put in. It's not a joke thing, brethren. A whole heap of work we put in at this. Whole heap of work. But I think says that joke thing. You know, just the record became a hit song and people just know the song crossover in a crossover market because it just happened. We had to put in the work. Yeah. Sometimes you sit down in a studio them, in a radio station, if you do 10 interviews, you have to do 10 set a drop. Everybody bring out a drop list and you have to do all of those drops. And you can't frown up and go and say, and if you go there early morning when your voice no wake up, you still have to do that. And you can't go and like say, you don't want to do that. Because you don't want, no, this Jackie have no bad vibe over you. Yeah? You don't want that. When you come out of Fort Myers there, come check our DJ Quest them. I want to know, man. When you go up at Tampa and go check DJ Christian them. One day you don't need to get the real history from some people like Willie Daniels them. We watch the whole thing. When you think Sean Paul just bust her? Maury Elias from VP take Sean Paul. And they had a plan. And he put in the work. Sean Paul put in the work. Yeah? If Maury Elias it catch like a Vibes Cartel, when him find all Summertime and Fever and the tune with Spice, them tune it get clearance. Maury Elias them would do wonders because maybe Atlantic would have signed Sean Paul. Cartel. And them that get the radio budget and the radio. Because them time they know it's all about contacts, you know. Them time there's all about the muscle behind the artist, you know. So when all Atlantic sign you, them a put the whole, them a open up the paycheck, the pay book, Zane, the bank book, and them a write the check. And them have the personnel them now. We can call the radio station and say, yo man, what's up, man? I got this cartel, man. I got this new act, Vibes Cartel, man. Yes, man. You got something here. You got something here. Can I get it in the rotation this week? Yeah, okay, man. Good looking, man. Thank you, man. All right, all right. Let me show you so you can understand what I'm saying, in case you don't understand. Look at Michael Jackson movie. Look at Michael Jackson movie when Nephew just started. You will understand what I am saying. Michael Jackson was the biggest thing in America, and he could not get on MTV. Them have to go check one white man, one label exec, and the man call over MTV, the boss over MTV. And based on the conversation in the movie, you can know so the man did that say him can't get him on because them time they didn't play a black artist. And the man say, I'm gonna pull all my artists, man, and body him up. I saw Michael Jackson get by MTV. So when I'm telling you that dancehall never used to play in some places, it's a reality. That's why when Shabba Rankin go burn out the shaky people them. That's why it was so easy to cancel Shabba. They just say we're not gonna play him anymore at radio. And them just cut off Shabba. And them cut off dancehall with Shabba. When you don't understand the work where some artists want to come disrespect and attack, but when you see some people get some little recognition boy for them work, when I want to come style them and come disrespect them. When you don't ever understand some work where some artists put in for dancehall even get back at radio. One time dancehall cut off at radio. Clean. After Buju Banton and Shabba Rankin situation, them no want no dancehall now play at some radio stations. Them can't introduce it. They would not even, the people them in radio, Bobby Candas and them man, I wish me could get a Bobby Candas to talk to one brethren. To this day, them still look on dancehall sideway. You know who come change that? Get to back in a maximum rotation at radio. You know who changed that? As a hardcore dancehall artist? Sean Paul. Sean Paul come officially change that. You know who start bore some hole in the ceiling? Beanie Man. Beanie Man. Key man start get back some rotations. You better know that. When after Shabba Rank incident in England and Buju Banton Boom Bye Bye tune, we dead at radio. You remember that? A Beanie Man come start bore back some little hole in the ceiling and then Sean Paul come kick off the roof. He never even kick off fully because apartheid still upon it. Until the turnover to a digital era now, we no longer rely on radio for an artist to bust. For an artist to go international. Shensia them no need radio. Shensia never get a Billboard tune yet. Massacre them no need radio. Massacre them never get a Billboard tune yet. Skillibeng them no need radio. The internet are them radio. God bless them. But when we needed radio, Robert Livingston had to remix Shaggy Boombastic for we get it at radio. Robert Livingston and Shaggy team. Then I want to hear Boombastic in a natural form. You have to remix that. Yeah? A remix go. Pop. Wasn't me. It's not a full dancehall tune. Angel is not a full dancehall tune. Sting had to add certain elements now to make it feel like, it's not really dancehall, it's a pop tune. So Shaggy them kind of bring back a little vibe in the space, bring back a little vibe in the space, but Shaggy them was labeled as just pop artists. Them never look on Shaggy as a dancehall artist. Somebody has to me sound jealous. I said, you just join the reasoning. Because if you say me sound jealous, that means there's something wrong with the reasoning. And then me need to end the life, yeah. Because I don't know which part. What I'm saying that me sound jealous. What me I say me sound jealous? When I miss people, what am I saying to sound jealous? May I give it authentic history about something I have to sound jealous. How much I sound jealous about the history of dancehall? Jaja. You see, it's hard for me, to accept the history. And when somebody come and put for the history, because we don't want to put in some little box and dash in the corner. We don't want to put Shaggy in one little box and dash in the corner. We want to put Sean Paul in one little box and dash in the corner. Because when we're young, somehow when we're young, we don't know what the music and where the music is coming from and what it used to be. I know people have to fight to get it back at radio. One time, them not sign no dancehall artists. After Shabba ranking them thing, them not sign no dancehall artists. Shaggy got signed, had a major hit, and the company dropped him. That is how they used to treat. When Shaggy run the thing, and I sell whole heap of record, him had the nicest thing to them, the greatest thing to them. When Shaggy go back with him second record, or his second album, all of a sudden them know say, oh, them can't understand it. Them can't understand it because now them are telling if you come present new music to them, and when you carry the new music to them, they want them say, oh, what is it? What is it? I think it should be this. I think it, I don't know if that's going to be able to, play at radio. Them start finding a problem with what them are here. Because them can't hear a dancehall hit. A song where already I get traction and people start love it, them take it and get behind it. When you go back with a new record, them don't know what it is. So when Shaggy talk to make Shaggy take how him come off of the biggest record and the label drop him. Make Shaggy them tell them something there. It's when Sean Paul come and Sean Paul was able to take new material like to Atlantic. Him and Murray Elias and VP them take new material because Sean Paul was smart. Sean Paul wait until the rhythm them bust in a Jamaica. Then jump on the rhythm, then go on radio. So after time to give me the light boss. Top 10 pan Billboard. He go link with Beyonce him to Baby Boy. He bring back a dancehall vibe in the space because Baby Boy know a dancehall and people start bounce again. And people start bounce again and give back the dancehall bounce again. Then Sean Paul come, boom, now him hear snow cone temperature rhythm. Him had the last man must survive pan temperature rhythm. Boom, #1 pan the Billboard. Then he bring Keisha Cole up a Dan Carleon and Wolf and then come use it. Boom, a vice a tune with Keisha Cole, top 10 pan the Billboard. As so dancers start get back into the playlist them. As so dance, as so the selector them, the mixers them, the DJs them were not afraid to play a dancehall song without them PD, them program director calling them and say, yo, what is that? Who is that? What is that? And some people now call the radio station and say, what is that garbage you're playing on the radio? We not know about this. When Headzai was number 16 in the British chart, them interview one group, I remember them name, some group where they sing, I remember them name, me and them in the Billboard chart same time. When them ask the youth them, so this song, Headzai, have you heard it? I say, yeah, man, we heard it, man, but we don't know what it is. It sounds like garbage. Westlife, I think their name. Stop talking to me, brethren. We don't know this. Out of here. Yeah, nothing. When you just come to talk about artists will have digital impact. You have to know enough artists will not try put now one little box and throw in a can and put in work around here. Work. And get enough rejection too. And get enough blacklist too. Blacklisted and banner kind of sitting. I'm doing, man. No bill, man. No history, man. We don't know history. Can't stand it. You can't stand it. So, all I'm saying to you, before you chat and try downgrade we and try belittle we career, we're not going to do no research. Yeah? We're doing a research on the music. We're doing a research. And that is the reason why we can still go anywhere in the world go perform to this day. Yeah? Because heads eye, pull up, tamale them, chilla la 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 boom boom chile, she's a hoe and them song there. Them go through the test. Them go through the ultimate test. They have to go through playlist and get requests. One time if your song play at radio and you get no requests, your song nah go nowhere. The fans them have to call and request it. And then they put it in a rotation. And they put it in a minor rotation. And then they put it in a mid rotation. And then they put it in a full rotation. And when they put it in a full rotation, that is the time when you go and you start get ads from other radio stations and your programmer. Or the person who work your record. Stop talk about one who don't know, brethren. Don't come in the class, come go and say you don't know nothing about this. You don't know nothing about this. Sean Paul, I one of the man who come kick back off the roof. Like what Shabba Rankin them did want to do. A Sean Paul come kick off that. By getting a dancehall in its authentic form. You know, talk about Sean Paul image if he look like white, black, pink, or blue. Because nobody could not see him on the radio. They heard the song. Yeah? We never used to, I see him on TV or whatever they see him on. But what them do, they hear the song first and then the song became a hit song. Good. So Sean Paul, one of the man who come kick off the roof. Enough artists could have did have an opportunity there. When the music just start change, but he made a jail. And he's still able to get a big tune in the pop market and his Vibes Cartel. Yeah. Fever is not a normal tune. And I believe it would have been a major hit. I think it did not reach its full potential. I think Fever, even when Cartel come out, if he put maybe Nicki Minaj on Fever and go back out with it again, I think the Fever that still run. I think Fever did have a chance. If TJ them comes to boom and say, you know what? I could put Nicki Minaj or something on the tune when Cartel come on road and go again. Because Fever just a one mad. It have the elements them, it have the whole elements, it have the punchline, it have everything to be a top 20 Billboard tune. Yeah. So all in all, me I say, don't talk when you don't know. Because you don't know the work when for the artists them put in. When you see man out here work same way, and because when you come see it on internet now, and when you think so we are careless people and we not do it in the music, we did it. We did it. And all of we was Michael Jordan, but we were Steve Kerr. And we up on the wing. Because Jordan alone couldn't win all of the championship. Jordan alone couldn't win. We were the ones shooting up the 3-pointer them. We were the ones that we had to do the defense on the team. The dirty work. Understand that. Everybody couldn't be Jordan. We were the Scottie Pippins them. The Steve Kerr them. Yeah. Remember that. So you don't underrate no artist or disrespect no artist we want to see. True, we reach at certain age now. And we don't have no number one song now. When you think say, yo, we can't disrespect we. We have built part of this column here too. The era that we were in, we represented and we helped build the cornerstone them. Because no one man couldn't do it. The festivals them couldn't keep with no one artist around the world. The Sunsplash them and the Sunfest them and the Sting them and them show they couldn't keep with no look one man. Understand that. The White River Reggae Bash them and them show there. The Reggae Tips them. The Park show them in New York. The best of the best them when them and when Scuffrey them used to keep all for them show at December time. I want to know, man. I want to know. You think we just keep with one artist? We run up in numbers them too, man. Yeah. So what you don't know, put it in a Google. What you don't know, put it in a Google. Put in a Google when Mr. Vegas do Kaya Ocho. Put in a Google when we sang them are going at the Billboard chart. Put in a Google when we are getting nominated for the Soul Train Award when Egyptian win. Put in a Google when we are getting the Mobo Award. When them think they're prestigious award. Real sitting. Yeah. Put it now on Google. I understand. Yeah. Put it now on Google when you do a song and it in Jamaica. And you left Jamaica and by the time you go back on different youth around the place and you have to go start all over again. When we come to do Nike here, heads high. Some gal a raffle up and a dip. And a bag of other tune. Cause you have hands up. Girl from your nose say you never bow. Them they have 4 monster in a dancehall. Anybody way in the late 90s come go out them want disrespect people career. Oh no, just a be hypocrite and be some vermins. In the late 90s. We have to come good. Because we run out of some fest and say, put it everywhere I go, put it everywhere I go. But the girl them just start me when me start it. How the bumbuckly do no. Put it everywhere I go, put it everywhere I go. When it was like me when me start me in the show. Girl scream, never cry, and the girl is at his side. I don't know, I try, forget a liquor blind. But I want me every day. We don't go here, man. Eh? And after we do all of that, and we have tune a play. Some gyal are fill up. We get blue out. Day, diggy ding, day, diggy ding, day. And with the blood clean and the blood clean bust them a pass. Got some gyal are. Why? Eh? Nike here, heads high, hands up. Everywhere I go. Being the man with a tune it, but the bad man no flee. After them, why they not tough like we? I mean, man, for them a walking up, I see them a fool. And them tune wasn't even number 1 tune, but a big tune them. Never have a number 1. You know what was number 1? Nike here, heads high, jacket, hands up. Number 1. Straight number 1. Nobody can move them. Me I use number 1 and replace number 1. Ask them. Ask them when man have bun me out and say, yo, me I go save them now move him song from number 1 this week and put my song. Ask them. Nothing can test them. I have to try put stigma on my name to slow me down. Remember that. Ask all the little girl them why no mother now. Ask the little girl them when them time them are no mother now. Ask them which way they used to wind up to. Ask your mother now we are 45. Who was her favorite artist? And which song she used to broke out to? Ask her. And when all of that, and we left and go a foreign. When we left and go a foreign, by the time we go back to Jamaica, we not at again. When we left and go a foreign, by we reach back to Jamaica, dog, name with food. Lexus. A thing named Lexus. Around the whole place. I carry a thing on him back named Keep Rich, an elephant man. Dog, near my food. You reach back on your space again. Who you? No, lie. Lie from the pit of hell. Lie. Decayed memory. Come back now. Come back. After all of them sang there. Hands up, heads high, Nike here, everywhere I go, some girl I ruffle up on a dip. There. Go a foreign, go tour. And go back to Jamaica. You know who take with space? Who take Vegas space? A thing named further on in the news. Jesus God. A thing fresh out of prison. Oh, me left out a big tune. Chila la 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 bum bum chile. In that first batch of Vegas tune there too. You so much big tune going in a one in the first batch. So come again. Nike here, heads high, hands up, jacket, chila la 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 bum bum chile. Good. 5 number 1 song that. 5 number 1 song that. I mean I talk about but everywhere I go, but everywhere I go, but the girl them no sass for me want me star in a them show. Me not tell no that, me not tell no. But the bad man no flee. Half that them boy they not tough like we. Me not tell no that with the man. Me not go the so. Cause them there was juggling too. Them die juggling. Good. Me not tell no about. Tell the girl say working money. Tell the guy say working money. I'm bring it come. Working money give you that in a lump sum. Me no give you no them there. Cause them they are just juggling. Me never lead the rhythm. A Sean Paul and Tanto Metro them lead the rhythm there. So me not even go into them there. But them did a play in the mix. Eh? Me no go into them there. Me go into the 5 number 1. Because some people we have to remind them where it come from. Because when you see man I get them recognition now, when you sit down and quat on the backside. So I can remind you through him out the bad me up this morning, so me talk about my career. Alright, let's go. Because we not talk about it. Alright. So 5 number 1 song. And the juggling one them. I'm going to go a foreign and go back to Jamaica. You know who around the place? A thing named Zebra. Where Q45 start manage. Me mama. Zebra. Rupert. Rupert. Rupert around the whole place. The man come catch a rhythm where Shines produce, where Steely build for Shines. Big things are going, you know see gigit, you know see me a big girl them we sexy and the one named light, and some me know how to do it, sweat. Man come say, away my go, it's sweat. Girl, them have me picture for frame, them have me picture for frame, them have me picture for frame. How did you bother about the Jane? You know the foreign sun in rain. Come and Spain. Girl, them have me picture. Wicker man came around and steal it and the man come take your rhythm. After everybody done voice everything already. Zebra come take the rhythm. And Wicked Leng put me to work after him as Sting. The man left one hole over Sting, come like a one creator. He come like a atom sitting the man, I want hole the man left over Sting. When we the backstage, some artists come on and say, no worry man, I hear a show man. Fresh and foreign, I saw still a drop off of me. I still a drop off of me. He come like him man, I see the fretting, I see the sufferation, I see the stress for me. The man they touch me for me, don't worry. I hear a show man. Even though my mind not my show, you know, see a hole out there. I create the man a bill. Wickedest thing ever happened to me in my career. Wickedest. The time I go a foreign, and Tony Kelly release a thing named Sucky Ducky. Yeah? Tony Kelly release a song named Sucky Ducky. Mataran go a Delano's Revenge and play it and bust the place. Biggest forward of the night. Mataran bust it over Delano's Revenge. Me come from foreign and then come tell me say, yo, Sucky Ducky, I run the place at the biggest tune. And Tulu come on to me apart, chicken and Tulu come on to me apart, say, yo, Sucky Ducky, because them chicken and Mataran apart. Sucky Ducky are the biggest thing. It if you open the show with, it if you run out with. So me well have Sucky Ducky and say, at least me have a chance now because Zebra further roaring in the news. And the man don't sing, the man don't DJ, the man bring up him father get forward. The man say, I go to comedy now, the man start get comedy, alright, Nazarus poop in South Africa and it's come down a rare and kill a black man and be a people that jump around over sting. Zebra kill them with joke. The man tap DJ and start the comedy. People are drop a ground, dash with the liquor, dash with everything. Why are some big man? Why? Zebra beard laughing. Everybody, man call up dog, puss, rat, everybody get forward when call up and I'm near go next. Jesus. Mighty God. You see the man done dismantle the place? He said, we bring on stage, Mr. I know some MC wicked too, you know. The MC said, we bring on stage, Mr. And left off the Vegas. You know, back in the days when your name call, you forget the big forward before you run out. Me bumbo. Jaja. You see the band draft up Sucky Ducky. The band goes a boom and roll. And roll. I mean from back I say, not true ready. Yay. Hey, what do I say? Hey. I run out. Go tell us, you know, Sucky Ducky if you wear no name, bro. How I do them? But then me a dancer. How I do? Nothing. Pull up. Not forward little. I said, Jesus. Pull up. I quit this up. Me cut that the song there so quick. I quickest a song ever cut. Who did the other sting they know me at about? Anybody there that the sting they know me at about? Pull up. Quick. If me never do a next blind, me dead. And I saw now, me jump back in the catalog. Na. And the girl them start warm up back and me start work back. I start getting back some forward. But the forward them are coming on, you know, them big like zebra forward, them are 4 corner forward, you know, them 4 corner forward there. And me start get back too forward. Kill me the Zion. And I get back too forward and rear and I go on good. And come so Chico, come in. And put on a rhythm name Bodies. Yeah man, I said Chico, come in. And Chico come in. Now run out. And then he says, when I jump on the body shoot, when I say Grudgeful, I got them grudgeful. And you know that. Boss the place, I'm going to stop because some gal are full up and a dip and hold back and forward. I'm if you tell you no, I roughest night's work. That. Remember. Anytime I call up Chico everywhere, no matter how say man no do nothing for artists and man no help artists boy. I mean used to carry Chico up on stage and ask them. Because we not talk about it. Yeah, but he must have to tell you no. I blame him. Talk about that. We don't come for chat. And we don't want to question when man doing a music boy. Yeah. So when you see man talk like politics now and they sitting there when they think so they can't disrespect people. Yeah? Further on in the news. And we have to go up against that, the Titanic there. Remember that. Remember. Yeah? And by we look to rotted. We are catch back a forward. Sucky ducky now. Start bust the place. And we have a thing now named any pussy who want try stop me food, them and go get them face right off like the prelude. I bust up everywhere. And then we have a thing from Tony Kelly. Jack it up, fling it up like you don't care. Make them know what your niceness is here. Move your waist and I make you extra near. And I catch back a vibe and I catch back and I go on back nice. No one I go on back. Good. I find a thing name. And if a girl take 2 man in a one night, then we know she's a hoe. If she a clean up the wood and I go on back good now and go cut and go a foreign again. Cut and go a foreign again. Come forward, Lexus. Gone with the whole of girl them. Every girl gone. Every girl gone. Not, me say one time to Ratted, you know. I come back from foreign, you know. And I left Jamaica go on good, you know. Cause you have Sucky Ducky, you have Prelude. Yeah? I go on good. Gone a foreign again, you know. You're going on tour for 1 2 months. You're fretting, you know, because you don't want to go on tour, you know, but you have to go look the food. Come back a Lexus to Ratted. Me go a one school in a Portmore with Lexus, Elephant, Keep Rich. Some artists when me did a working in my stable in an industry camp and we go over there. Me mama clot. The liquor pitney them no want hear nothing from me. You see when Lexus come? Jesus Christ. And the little maga boy take off in shot and the whole high school run him down. A whole school run down this maga boy. And me say, yo, me hate him, Oh, from boss, I don't like him. I hate him. I say, Jesus God. He man go with, he man keep rich. When the man go on place name, the man go on place name Sashi. Sashi. That is Sashi. Aguan. And the man go and the man go says, real. And the man say, oh man, you better can cook. Think of really up if you little go live a restaurant. Cook. Recipe book. Go on in a big Sunday morning. All you know in a big. Girl, why? What? No one say, me catch a girl in a day, but she want if me start talk. But you bumbo cleat. And the man bring up one little man named Keep Rich, that little voice will sound like a fimi. Eh? One little voice will sound like a fimi, like the man they replace me. It's a Lord God. Jesus. And then the man bring up a thing near Elephant Man. So them a bad man, I make batty man, I pinch him up, go like a baby when spring them back him up. Or give that it don't have a 40 back out with the Jesus. You know how they slow them down? For Lexus, Elephant and Keep Rich. No one we touch the microphone nowhere at all. We go at jungle go sing. Lexus alone, one DJ. The man Keep Rich and Elephant, man, nobody can touch a microphone. You want to see we turn up like when dog hungry. You want to see good, big artists sing heads. I kind of number one before this. Like a maga boy. Have we out this like we hungry? See we are. And he just did animal take it whole of the place. And the girl them just a jump up. And the girl them just want near him. And the girl them just a go on the back at thing. I said, a man touch him. A man goes, I go try. a man try grabbing mic. And Alex says, hey, yo, me let's come here for yo, I'm to the man. And the man just drag back his hand so. Alex just get a can cook. Think of your pretty lucky one. Gonna make some money, you know that I'm with it. 10 girl, come on, you damn right, I did it. Me never go to me make sure it. You keep it your mic. Hey yo. I said, God, that's so like me, God. God, do something about this, God. Do something about this, God. I pray. Me pray one time, I'll try to take them on. I say, Lexus start up, brought down and park up. Yeah. Catch a look one forward. Then you have a next thing where boss nice same time to name Bling Dog. And me no go do a show to Ratty the Bling Dog over me pen. Bling Dog and Lexus and Elephant and them. I just come from foreign. And I say, me have to fight back for my space, you know. Me have to go fight back for my space. And go over me pen. Yeah? I have one freestyle. Yeah? Anna. Take on Bling Dog. Time Bling Dog warm, you know. Me blood cleat. A Ricky Rudy, aka Bling Dog. Jesus Christ. Go over me a pen. Man, dismantle the place. The man they want to rush me say, and me make it dance, mash up. You don't know what go on, boy. You not tap it here, man. You not stop. You not stop. You not think that was something you want. You not stop here, man. Stop. And you know who give Bling Dog the run? Beanie Man. What we know about. It was Beanie Man and Ricky Rudy. Run a shocking vibes. And Lexus a go on, and Lexus a wire the place. Lexus a wire. The man a wire. Every girl want him. Every girl want him. You know what stop him? I'll tell you what stop him. What slow him down. One big artist starts him about cat. Them days when they say about cat a sin. And one big artist starts him nyam pum pum. Elephant cut from round him and talk say a chew him and yam pum pum make him no longer par with him. Elephant you see there. Keep rich, cut left him too. Him alone now, vulnerable. Dog nyam him. Right before that happened, before Elephant cut from round Lexus, I'm going to go into a real piece of history where everybody's supposed to remember. We are fully loaded. We want to take piece of the rhythm and can't go up to because Lexus and Elephant and Keep Rich, them no want nobody touch a microphone. I feed them segment. And Nitty Kochi. No chronological order, me just tell you what stop Lexus, what slow him down. I think this event was before Elephant stopped dealing with Lexus. When we are fully loaded, we want to touch the rhythm. And Lexus, Elephant, and Keep Rich, no one nobody touch the rhythm. I feel them segment because Lexus carry Keep Rich and Elephant on him back. But an Elephant now go on good yet. Him have some little tune, bad man a pinch him up and one tune on the Scarface with him from around a shocking vibe. See? Nitty Kochi go up there and grab the mic. I must see conk Elephant and head with the mic. I don't remember why I must see box Elephant. You know, with the kind of run of the little this stuff. Because we are stay far from them. Because I don't want nobody insult me. Me easy for shame. So me never give me bother go near the stage. Me turn in a crowd. See? And me go hear, me go hear like boxing in me like boxing or conk up or whatever go on. It come through the microphone. And Nitty Kochi go up there go. Must be box up Elephant man. And that mash up, that are the first thing. No remember good. That are the first thing we start bring down Lexus. The box up there, where Elephant get the whole crew that's a mash up now. Elephant up, the man starts a Lexus bow, and Elephant and Keep Rich take with themselves from around him. So him alone left in wilderness with Earlton. Him alone depend his own now like Patti LaBelle. I sing. Lexus ended up on him own. Elephant gone. Elephant say my bow cat him no longer deal with him. Keep Rich cut left him to say my bow cat. Now them start say. Now the man now we are run dancehall. We are the king of dancehall. Him start say let's suck. And now Lexus depend him own now. Nobody now give him no. Yeah. And him go over and the last thing we help cement it. In Gova, Sting, and tell me I throw what I find. And him say, hey, the pussy will Vegas, I call up me now. And him come down to one crane. And the crane stuck. And he said, let me down, man. Let me down, man. Yo, let me down, man. And the crane man stuck. Right? Must be one of the bad prayer I pray for a long time, make a crane stuck. The crane stuck with him in the ear. And that's stuck there. So between the crew mash up when elephant get the backs up, the man starts him about cat. Elephant them take when themselves from around him and the crane stuck. Go back and check. And that's when him starts. And me left go a foreign, come back, come hear a thing near highway and around the place, go around a steely, find a thing named Boca Liquor Gala Sand Springs, so she fall in love with the liquor. Yeah, go around a Shams. Maybe at the time I look at, but our friend, girls' time, had the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon starts shining. I find back some song now and get back in the thing, get back in the thing. Boom and I go and good again. Left go foreign again, you come back. Highway and them around the place, rare around the place. Then man starts saying, why you can't read him. So we have to left, we go pull up, go foreign, pull up, go billboard, pitbull teeth it, go back to Jamaica, find artwork, Hatabal seminar dance. A time Hatabal used to run with Beanie Man. Hatabal used to run with Beanie Man. Me a historian, brethren. When I sit down and teach a class, you have to listen good. Anything about it is I tell no, maybe some of the timing maybe a little bit off because you know some of the thing them, yeah. But everything I tell you can be verified by the same artist them. Hatabal run with Beanie Man. Zane? No, Hatabal run with Bounty Killer. So we call people name. Hatabal run with one artist, a big artist. Zane? Everything good. Because the artist in them days, if you say other man they are your artist, it's easier for your boss. But then Hatabal start run with Beanie Man. Zane? According to the information, the man them beat him up a country. Come and run with Beanie Man. Zane? So Hatabal was one of the biggest selectors in the dancehall. One of the top man. He was supposed to be the man. So them beat up Hatabal. According to me can't verify that information. But that's what the street say. Zane? So Hatabal see me in a dance. And say, no, lie. When I come back to Jamaica, them said to me, say, everybody see me and I say, me love your new song, me love your new song, me love your new song. And me I say, which new song? And them say, from you know your belly no bang and you look in your ding tan in your tangle. And me I say, I know me. And I say, no man, are you man? And me I say, them I say, you and Lexus. And I say, me. So me go hear the song. Left side and Esco. Good? Alright. Then time I come back now, I link with a brother named Yogi. See? So I link with Yogi. And Jovi Rockwell them. So Yogi and Jovi them write a punchline. Come a long way, what a sweet love story. Remember the days when you used to adore me. All the loving and the time you gave me. And where me I gonna get that from now, baby? I'm going to hear the punch and I say, wow, that time, yeah. So me and him finish work on the tune. So that tune then, boom. Set for release. Me link Bobby Digital. I don't remember who built the rhythm for me, but build a rhythm for a tune in him. The old town talking about you and your new girl. You're flying high now in your single world. But you're gonna need me. I'm say, Jovi, why you sing that song, yeah? Yeah? And she sing the song and Bobby Digital mix it for me. Me produce it. Zane? When me hear them I tell me now say, and me and Esco, me and Lexus sing the song named Tuck in Your Belly. Me say, alright. So me call Shams. And me say, Shams, rise back the body's rhythm. Some gal a raffle up and a dip. Me say, Shams, rise back the rhythm and speed it up. And Shams, I'm a general. Anything me say, him a go do it. Me say, rise back Because few artists he will listen to. He will listen to me and he will listen to Mr. G. So I say, rise back the rhythm there and speed it up. And put a phrase on it. I'm write a song. Lexus not even know this a song I write. And me write the whole night. Dance on some girl now have taxi fare. And I talk about them a hot girls round here. Hype up about them in a name brand wear. Dance on them with my boom right in the square. All of the girl let me them on taxi fare. Make me see you and I put your one in the air. Can me I tell myself say me better than Esco. So me I go harder than him. Because that's the competitive nature of dancehall music. And me say Lexus better than Esco. And me write the part. How me you say come a dancehall and a hype. When you call them girl there, foot a hype, me never mean. But it's like they have a double meaning still, but me never really know say I go get foot I go take it so deep. Me did a talk say walk foot a hype. So that's why I say foot a hype. Lexus don't know nothing about that the song there. Him no write a line. I try to find Lexus to come sing the song Run a Shams. And Lexus say I go a country. Me call Country from Ward 21. Sing the song for him. Me say Country, me there studio, come check me now. Him say can't come till Monday. Me say but a Monday Lexus tell me too. So me I go just use Lexus and done. Because Lexus was my preference. Because the people them say me and Lexus to taxi fare. Country, I think still vexing me to this day. Yeah. Because me tell Country say, me sing the song for Country and tell him to come do the song. Ask Country from Ward 21. Lexus don't know nothing about it. Me run a Shams and done demo the song and everything before Lexus got there. And we sit down and wait for Lexus till the Monday. When him done go enjoy himself a country. Because Lexus lazy them way there. When I put music first, but me put music before everything I go come after. I just got on them thing that come after. Come before. But you know, from me I do music, me I go locked in. I say, yo, where are they? Come in, man, Ray, and in Ghana country. So because country say Monday, that's why Lexus end up getting pan taxi fare. So now me have taxi fare release, do you know release, Jovi Rockwell, you're gonna need me release one time. Good? Shoot a video for do you know where women have postpartum depression. Nobody know that in the history. Me need to get an award for that by itself because me are the first artist who highlight postpartum depression of women. Go watch the video. Do you know? Sing the dub plate for Panther. Panther kill everything down a mobile with the dub plate. Panther kill Mighty Crown, what a sweet sound story. And the tune bus. History me a go now. Facts. Going a thing there. You know so much hit song that me go on, I mean reach now yet. Don't question my career. Question the behavior. If you have a problem with that. Do not question my career. God will strike you. Yeah? That's why I still get bookings to this day. Yeah? And still I mash up a show them till this day. Yeah? I sing hit songs. Know that. Me's a hit maker. Don't try undermine people work, brethren. Me an artist can be the biggest enemy. Biggest enemies, but me not gonna undermine them work. Me not like you, but me respect your work. Are two different, me can separate things. Me not like when R. Kelly molest people when they are prison for, but me rate R. Kelly work. Me can't undermine R. Kelly's work. Good. So me have, do you know, every woman know what talk about them can relate to the music video. Them never, all me own a family member tell me say them never know say somebody would have talked about this because something where them have got through postpartum depression. Zine? At one point, them send the song, the music video to Oprah Winfrey to get me on her show, but she did stop the in-studio show them. That's how powerful the video was. Zine? Good. So me have them 3 songs there. Go buck up a brother named Atabal. Back to what me I tell about earlier on, was supposed to be one of the biggest selector. Until them say, them beat him up. And I mean say what the street did say. Because I can't verify it. See me at the dance, Uptown Mondays, and said to me, say, yo, you have a thing named at work where the mobile girl them a do. Catch it before elephant. That him said to me. Catch it before elephant. My girl Murray, dig up. And me hear a rhythm. Him say elephant rhythm. Where elephant they do a song for him. I say pull up the files. Then I start sing. Lean with it, rock with it, hot walk with it, lean with it, rock with it, hot walk with it. I have a thing here, lean with it, rock with it around America. I me just come from America, so me fully Yankee out. Lexus come in the studio and say, lean with it, rock with it. What the hell is that? That don't sound good. So me say, wine with it, wine with it. And him say, yeah man, that's it man, Lexus. Good? And me and Lexus do the song, when me look him gone. Come here, say me I go put him for do the verse them. Gone. Good? Me go for a girl named Atabal, we run a Moonlight Drive. Me in-law them family member. Opal. Me say to her, say, moi you say, at work with it. I, Atabal. Come check me. Moi you say, heart it up. Where the girl them want? And she a go say, at work. Good? I'm sing the song for Murray. Atabal is not my song. Me just produce it for Murray. So when you come and put on internet, say me owe you. Go to who own the song, brother. But me not take you on because me say everybody want a springboard and me them look for. But now you have it. Because you don't tell the public, say when you send the message, say you want royalties, me tell you who own the song and you forgot to them. You didn't do that. You come cut the little part where you send the message. You don't tell them, so me tell you who own the song and you must go to them if you want any royalties. You didn't do that. But now that we are reason, make we talk. I do not own the song. I get a one use of the song to put on my album. I do not own the master. Good? Now, artwork release. Kill elephant run out and do an artwork, mash him up. See? Kill elephant artwork tune. My artwork tune take off. Everybody. Ray. One morning, me a blast out the song that I come to the digital era now. So me have some DJ in my email, blast out the song to the DJ them. Me have lean with it, rock with it. For Sly and Rabbit. Lean with it, rock with it. Lot of mercy, boy. Lot of mercy, why? The girl them say my voice sweet like honey. Pick up my big friend, you know that I saw it. Lot of mercy. My God have mercy. You just lean with it, rock with it. Hot funk with it. Lot of mercy. Yeah? Good. Send the song, lean with it, rock with it, and hot working at the same email. Ran Musha from IRFM, get the song in my inbox, dep on the radio and burn me out for one whole morning straight. How me disrespect him, how me send dirty song con give Rastaman, how me this and how me that and burn me out clean. Ran Musha from IRFM. People that call me phone left, right and center, when me do Ran Musha, the man that burn me out clean, how me send dirty song con give him. Because I send song here, hot work, come give him. Facts. History. That song ended up in the Billboard at hip hop and R&B. Good. To this day, yeah, people up on the internet are hot it up. To this day, yeah. Ran Moshe give me a proper tongue lashing. Yeah. One bag of beating, tongue beat, tongue beat to teeth and tongue drop out, gone ground. The way that the man they beat me the morning. Me shame like a dog. Good? Good. Left go foreign again. Cause the man them say, they don't want me pan reading with them depend. They don't want the pan reading with me depend. So then start blacklist me after I reading them. Good? So I left go foreign. Go link up with a brother named Vader Nobles who used to produce Lauren Hill. Hear the coolie dance rhythm one night in a club in Orlando. Go Jamaica, I try get pan the rhythm, scatter na answer him phone. Me link Cecile call him, and say Vegas I try get pan the rhythm. Him na advise me. So I say, Cecile, tell him say me I buy a cut of the rhythm. Cecile tell him say me I buy a cut of the rhythm for $500 and him sell me a cut of the rhythm for $500. Me take a rhythm, come back a Vader Noble's yard. Yeah? Call Wayne and Tony. Put him on the song and sing a song name. Circle the black key in the drop top where the girl them at me afi. Pull up. And that bust the rhythm. Nina Sky jump on it after. Pitbull Thief my song. Elephant go back go remix Juke Girl on it. And that is the history of all scatter accolades them when get. Ask him. Pull up. We may have to buy a cut of rhythm from him. Because they never want me pan the rhythm. Pitbull Thief pull up. Me go back to Jamaica. Go back to Jamaica, nothing not go on for me. And man, me say me done with music. Because them telling me I have bad chest pain, acid reflux me have, and the doctor then say me have pericarditis. Them say fluid around my pericardium. A doctor in a Manhattan say him a go operate for me to remove the pericardium or remove the fluid, whatever I say I do. Him say the surgery go cost $1 million US. When he tell me the $1 million US, me go back to Jamaica. And I say better me stop sing. Fling when me show CD, them done with music, everything. Go back to Jamaica, retire from music. A virgin name Live Up, did give country a rhythm for give me, and me sing a song on it before me go up on tour. When me say me retire, Live Up release I Am Blessed. I Am Blessed became the biggest song. Me have to unretire quick. Me never even get to retire. I Am Blessed became a monster hit. After I Am Blessed, have you ever lost a friend? So let me see the light of them. Ganja class, you can't look up my career because the only thing them are going to know you as a ganja class by internet. You can't disrespect me, youth. Have manners, youth. So when you do that, try to size up and disrespect you. Know yourself, youth. Now because you see with the on internet, where you chat up. And go for your youth near over Mars. Raging bull, over Mars is the raging bull. Take away yourself, follow the rhythm man. Go up a Kirkwood and say, you know what? Take away yourself, dance bad by itself, you know. And Kirkwood put on the rhythm. Me did I sing on the rhythm, Lexus again, come in at the studio, hear me I sing and say, yo, that not sound good. And the song when me I do, me stop do that song there. And start sing. Everybody start take away yourself. Follow the rhythm and take away yourself. Spin with it and take away yourself. Good. DJ Sunshine called me and say, yo, this body. Good. Alright? Good? Yes. Grown as Stephen McGregor. We no want no friend from them. We no want no friend from them. Gone again. Me and Einstein take that rhythm there. Come again. When you Chrome, send me a rhythm. Man a gallus. Gone again. Left off foreign again. Forward at Jamaica. Start hang out run a Q45. Every day I play them in one high glen a kill time. Me find a thing name. Broke it down. Call Titimus. Tell him say me want the rhythm to be a certain way. He might give me a rhythm. I say no, none of that me want. Me want sitting where the girl then can chop and chop and chop. And me show him how me want the rhythm. Me call a girl and say do that dance here. And she had do the broke it down dance. Do the broke it down dance. And I so broke it down come. Titimus start burn me out so me rob him. When him look at 50% of the publishing me give him. He start burn me out. Good Titimus, I'm a general. I burn me out. As a matter of fact, the man say him never even want nothing. And me give him 50%. And him for him check if he start burn me out. And if I didn't get the 50%, it no cost me again. If I say I have the 50% when me register it enough, me register it as 50% for him, 50% for me. It no cost me again. Broke it down. Start run the place. 2-3 years after me got turn Christian. Good. Turn back from Christianity. Because me and them believe in a God different. We no get along. And here I am today. Yeah? I do not need another hit song and I don't need nobody to give me no form of pat on my shoulder. I don't want nobody try pity me. And at the same time, I don't want you try going to belittle my work. I work very hard for it. See? Me no need a recommendation because I can sing my own praise. Good? I can sing my own praise. So, that a catalog of hit songs. We no go over Trinidad, go tell us that we go over there with Marshall Montana and dominate Carnival. They. All of the girl them dance, get ready enough it. I know I've done so many wrong things in the past, yeah. Still what we have is everlasting. Girl, wine and swing it, and then wine down low and bring it. I miss a DJ, turn it up, spin it. No, we not talk about them there. Me not say we not talk about Genie Wine. Remember, say we not talk about here comes the boom. Ah, gangster youth, me want you hold your guns high. Remember, say we not talk about the remix with Beyonce, Standing on the Sun. Remember, we not go over Puerto Rico and tell about this where the girl them a ball. Oh, Johnny. We have big reggaeton tune them. Remember, say we not tell about the big French tune. Smoke up the high grade and go so hey. Babylon come in afraid and go so hey. And Beyonce get the money and go so hey. Remember we not tell about them something there. Remember we don't tell about Soca Dana with Ludmilla from Brazil. Where is one of our biggest songs of our catalog? With millions of streams. Look it up. Soca Dana. Good? So, when I try disrespect and I try belittle, understand on yourself. Big idiot ganja class. You can't put down my career. Nor nobody. Because one thing you can't do, you can't wipe out evidence and history where people can verify. That you can't do. So don't make, because you see me, I get me little recognition and when I get bad mind and jealous and ready eye and dirty hearted. We work hard for this. We talk politics and about social issues because we are qualified, or I am qualified in that field as well. Because I go back to school. So when me talk from a place of a sociologist. So I'm qualified to speak on social issues. When Buju Banton a burn out politician, y'all don't say shit. So if Buju forget a word tomorrow, no, I say Buju always attack politics. But when me talk politics, uno run out. But when Buju talk politics, uno under the comment them. Yeah man, a real thing, man, a real thing, a real thing, a real thing. Because him support a party where uno think say, that me for support too. And I am not like that. I mean, I have a problem with Buju Banton. I support who him want support. Because I will never belittle Buju Banton's work. I will be a fool if I say because Buju attack politics and a burn out Andrew Holness, me if I devalue his contribution to music. That will never happen. Buju attacking politics and Buju the artist. Me can separate the two of them. Why you can't separate my political views from my catalog or my music? Why you can't do that? Why you tying me to my political views? But you not tie Buju Banton to his political views? Why Michael Abrams thinks that because me have to sing for Andrew Holness, why me get a OD? When you did a try busting a music and couldn't even make it past the first hit song? Why? I will never question you being a doctor. Because I don't know nothing about medicine. But me can tell you say you don't sound good as an artist. So don't cross over whisper me as an artist. Come disrespect, brother. Go and be a good doctor. And go and still try boss. Maybe you have a chance. Gully back boss from in the gully. Big up on yourself.